shit that I do.
Hey you guys, in today's video, get ready with me while I try to make a look. Well, I did make a look, this look right here, for this Urban Decay event that I'm going to, and I will try to get some footage to put at the end of the video. So I am running on a time limit, so let's just get right into this. For my lid, I'm using the Full Spectrum CoverGirl All Day Idle Brightening Concealer just to prime my lids. And to keep it in that theme of Urban Decay, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette today. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is Low Glow. Then to deepen that, I used the shade Cayenne and En Fuego and just pop that in the crease and in the outer corner. And then I just took this blending brush with no extra product and just blended it all together. I'm really focusing on the liner in this look. And then we'll just be taking our concealer and cutting the crease like I always do. And then we're using Ofra's Rodea Drive on the lid. And we're going to go ahead and pop that on the brow bone as well. Now we're going to be using Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Scrunchy. And then we're going to go in with the shade Dance Party and just mix it in with Scrunchy to make an orange. Liquid Fairy Lights in the shade Sun Ray and popping some glitter above that yellow we just put on. And then for mascara, using the Pixie Large Lash Mascara, I really like to use this for underneath my lashes because it doesn't make my lashes too full. And then I'm just going to pop on my Jasmine Carved lashes. I will list her down below like always, and I will be right back. For primer, we're going to be using the Touch in Sol No POREBLEM primer, which is one of my favorites. Sorry I'm not as talkative today, guys. I'm on a time limit, so I'm trying to just film a video for you guys and, you know, trying to get ready at the same time, so why not? For foundation, we're going to be using the ColourPop No Filter foundation stick. This is like one of my favorites. This is the shade Medium 10W, and it's like, it like fits me so well. We're going to Joysticks, and basically it's an arcade lounge, like a bar, and they have really like fancy cocktails, so I'm excited. I've never been there. We're just going to use my Sigma F80 brush to blend this all out. So we're just going to be taking my concealer and concealing under my eyes. I have no clue what shade this is because for some reason CoverGirl doesn't have the shades on their concealer bottles. This is a Sonia Kashuk sponge, by the way. It's like $7 at Target. Okay, so we're gonna set with the ColourPop No Filter translucent powder. It's actually the banana one, not the translucent one. What am I talking about? I'm going to pick up Much More Than Beauty here on YouTube. We work together for curls, actually. I swear, she's like one of my best friends. Like, I love her so much. And then we're gonna use the Buxom Maldives Hot Escapes Bronzer. It's like one of my favorites, of course. And I'm using the Sigma F79. You can use Bake with K10 for 10% off on any of the baking and strobing sets, brushes, or the set on Sigma's website. So guys, tell me what you want to see on my channel, please, because I'm like so into creating content right now. And I really want to know what you guys want to see, because I'll freaking do it. And then we're going to use my Rodeo Drive to highlight, of course, because we finna be glowing up in this bee. For lips, we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Ashton liquid lipstick because it's like a perfect warm nude, at least for me. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my look. This is how I'm going. It's like an arcade lounge bar, so it's like very neon and very blacklight and very retro and very comfy. So I just threw on this outfit with a windbreaker, and I will see you in my next video.